Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make toaster strudel the only way. First, carefully unbox your frozen toaster strudel and remove it from its packaging. Then, place 1 or 2 strudels into your toaster slots. It's best to set your toaster to a medium light setting. This ensures your strudel warms up perfectly without burning, giving you that ideal golden brown finish. Get ready for a delicious treat. Now, let's get that perfect toast. You'll want to toast your strudel for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Keep an eye on it. The goal is a lovely golden brown color. Over-toasting can lead to a burnt crust and a dry, unappetizing filling, so be careful. The pastry should feel warm throughout, not just on the surface, ensuring every bite is delightful and gooey. Once your strudel is perfectly toasted, carefully remove it from the toaster. Next, find the small icing packet that comes in the box. Using scissors, snip a tiny corner off the packet. This creates a perfect opening for drizzling. Now, gently squeeze the packet and apply the icing evenly over the warm pastry. The warmth helps the icing melt slightly, creating a smooth, sweet glaze. And there you have it. Your perfectly prepared toaster strudel is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's still warm for the best experience. If you prefer a slightly softer pastry, you can microwave it for about 20 seconds after toasting. Don't forget to explore the many delicious flavors available. Enjoy every sweet, warm bite of your homemade style treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.